Today, we cannot deny that everyone spend a lot of time for transportation, especially in Bangkok, which hold the record about the bad traffic or traffic jam for a while, for many years. I think this is really unnecessary time wasting for something like this. So our group invent the application that called risk estimation application for road accident. This application can help everyone, especially in Bangkok, for find a better route that is more safer and uh, more quicker for transportation, that people will not waste time on the road like nowadays. And this is our group member, Miss Chidchanok Inkaew, Mr. Tonnam Tachawatanawisal, that's me, and Mr. Supagorn Krinchai. And our project, there are 4 parts. The first one is about problems, and the second one is about all about the project, and the third one is about how to use this application, and the fourth is about the conclusion. So let's start with the first topic about the problems. As I mentioned at the beginning, that Bangkok is the one of the city that hold the world record of the bad traffic for many years. So our plan is to use this application to help everyone find a better route for help about the reduce about time wasting on the road. As you can see by this video that people have to stuck on the road. The group targets. This application now can use in Bangkok region, but in the future we have the plan to develop for use in other region in Thailand, or maybe in other country, but in the future. The part of the application. There are mainly for 2 parts. The first one is output sheet and other is information sheet. As you can see by this Excel, this is the output sheet which you can select time and they will calculate the percentage of accident here, and other they are the output of Bangkok accident in 2019. And this product demo. This product have been used, like test by my friend, that can they use it or not, but they can use it, so I think this application might be available for everyone. Move on to next main point. Miss Chidchanok will introduce about this Excel application VBA code. Thank you.
Next, I will present how do the program work. First, we have the data of all of the cases in Bangkok in 2019, which is an accident case on the road. Then we calculate all of the cases to make it be a percentage of the risk in each road and in each time. Then we change the name of the route to make it more easier for the user. Then we separate all of the data in 6 range of time. And then we use a Google map and sorted latitude and longitude so we can find the nearby route for each road. Then I will show how about our Visual Basic for Application of VBA. We separate it into main module. First is the time module, and second is the root module. I will start with the time module. In the time module, we have two main commands, which is activate worksheet. We will activate the data worksheet of each range of time. And then we will copy the average value of that time and paste it in the output worksheet or project worksheet. And next, in the root module, it will have a command of copy the data or the percentage of the rest and paste it in the output worksheet again and change the font to make it bigger and change the color. And then it will activate this time range worksheet and copy the name of the road. We can fix the sheet because we set the name of the road in each worksheet with the same position. And this is our output worksheet. That will copy this value to paste in this cell. And this is the cell that we will paste the name of the root, and this is the cell that we will paste the average value. And this we will have a command if to analyze the percent value. That if our value in sunny day is more than average value, it will show this route is unsafety and have a decision for a user to choose a new route. But if the percent of sunny day is lower than average, so it will show this is a safety way.
So let's move on to the third and last main point about the tutorial, how to use this application, and also the conclusion of this project will present by Mr. Supagorn.
Hello, now I will show you how to use the application of load accident. Let's go to the Excel file. Here you can see the display risk estimation application of load accident based on historical data analysis. And this you can see our data that we use this information to create the macro for create this button. Next, I will show you how to use this application. First, you have to select the time that you would like to go. For example, I will select 8 o'clock and then select the route that you would like to go. For now, I will go the Pahonjotin road. Select this number 5. It showed that 0.00. It means it's safety. It shows here. And you can select any, maybe the midday, and then Ekachai Road, number 14. Yes, it show 0.0. This side is a Sunday, a sunny day, but this side is a rainy day. You can select any time that you would like, maybe 4, and maybe, yeah, เอกชัย load same, yeah, 0.0 safety, but sometimes we select the 4 p.m. and we select the ทางด่วนพิเศษเฉลิมมหานคร number 1, the first one, yeah, it show 2.985. It's more than the average. The text show unsafety, the percentage of the risk is higher than the average. You choose select the new route. And how we select the new route? Very easy. Click the button near route. Yeah, we select the ทางด่วนพิเศษเฉลิมมหานคร It show the near route as Dindang to Ngamuwan and Ngamuwan to Dongmueang. And how can we make sure that Dindang to Ngamuwan and Ngamuwan to Dongmueang is safety? We back to the first page and select the 4 p.m. Dindang to Ngamuwan. Yeah, 0.0 means safety. And same, but change to the Ngamuwan to Dongmueang. 0.299, it means safety. So it means for the first that you select to go by the ทางด่วนพิเศษเฉลิมมหานคร you can replace by the ดินแดงงามวงศ์วาน and งามวงศ์วาน to ดอนเมือง that is more safety. So I think this application is really useful for people who use a car or traveling in the Bangkok. It make your life easier because you can manage the time that you would like to go and select the road that you would like to use, that is safety or not. If not, you can use you can find a near route to go, and you can check again that near route is safety or not. So this is really helpful. Thank you.
And that's all for our group project. If you have any question, you can ask me by using Gmail and I will answer you back when I have time. Thank you for your attention.